Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I made chicken and gravy and I put it in a rice bowl. This was so cute and my chicken and gravy came out delicious. Check out how I did this. Isn't that cool? Let me show you how I made this stuff because it was delicious. First, I'm gonna make some steamed rice. This is 3 cups of water and 1.5 cups of rice. Now on a high heat, I'm going to bring it up to a strong boil. Then I'm going to turn the flame down to a simmer. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to simmer it for 20 minutes. And that's my rice. This is a hot skillet. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm adding 6 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and these are my spices on the screen. I have 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, half a teaspoon of parsley, thyme, and black pepper. I'm going to mix them all together. Now I'm going to take half of my spices and put them on one side of my chicken. I'm going to cook my chicken on a medium flame for 15 minutes, covered. Then at the end of 15 minutes, I'm going to flip everything over, and then I'm going to add the rest of my spices to the other side of my chicken. Then I'm going to cover it and I'm going to continue cooking them until they're completely cooked through. It should be about another 10 to 15 more minutes. Now this is 3 cups of boiling water and I'm adding 3 teaspoons of Better Than Bouillon. For this recipe, you need 3 cups of chicken broth. I made it using Better Than Bouillon. Here's a close-up. With Better Than Bouillon, it is 1 teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon per 1 cup of boiling water. So now I added all my chicken to a bowl and I'm going to shred it. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it with the electric mixer. You can shred it by hand. Now you're going to get all those bits that are on the bottom of your pan and all that oil. You're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour. And I'm going to scrape it and just mix it up and cook it for about a minute. And now slowly, about 1/3 at a time, I'm adding my chicken broth and I'm going to continue to stir it. As it heats up and starts to boil, it'll become thicker. You can already see it's thickening. So just add all your chicken broth and this is going to be your gravy. Now my chicken has tons of flavor, so I'm not adding any additional flavoring. So now I'm just going to bring in my shredded chicken. I'm telling you, this came out so good. And you can really put it over mashed potatoes or regular potatoes. This was so tasty. So I saw this little trick on another video and I decided to make some steamed rice, just like this. And then I just made a rice bowl. Just pat it all down. And then you flip it over. And then I added my chicken and gravy. You do need something to pick it up, makes it easier. But this was so cute. What a presentation. And I'm telling you, my chicken and gravy came out so tasty. Oh, it was delicious. Really, really good. So this is my chicken and gravy served in a rice bowl. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.